and welcome to PINAY Fitness, the Philippine fitness channel. I am Rachel and today we will just do a 10-minute good morning workout. No equipment, no yawning. This morning workout routine has 20 standing exercises, each for 30 seconds, so a continuous workout. There is full instruction from myself throughout this at-home morning workout, and demo videos and timers so it's easy to follow. So if you're ready for this 10-minute full body morning stretch and train workout, then let's begin. I'll talk to you again at the end. So if you're ready for this gentle wake up workout, let's begin. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. The first exercise is touching our toes, then standing upright and stretching our back as far as we can, then just repeating it to loosen up our bodies. Each time you stretch down and back, you will stretch further. The next exercise is oblique stretch, so get ready to change. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we do some oblique stretches, just gently sliding our hands down the sides of our body, getting them as low as you can while still keeping your body upright. Do a nice smooth movement with your hands down your sides. Next, we will change to twisting shoulders in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now we do twisting shoulders, keeping our hands and elbows level with our shoulders. We simply turn our head and neck to look over our shoulders as far as we can. As we look over, we bring our elbows with us to twist our shoulders, stretching out our upper body. Next, our leg raises with touch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Simply swing up each leg in turn and at the same time, bring down your arms to touch your legs as far down as you can. When you lower your legs, then stretch up your arms again. Keep your legs straight when swinging them. And next, we will do shoulder stretches in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Push your butt out and squat down with your hands on your knees. Twist down your shoulders to try and touch them on the opposite knee and just keep alternating sides. Try and get your shoulders as low as you can. Next, we will change to squat with oblique stretch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keep your back straight and push out your butt and squat down. Stretch your arms across your head to stretch your obliques. Stretch your arms as far across as you can, then push down on your heels to come up. Make sure you stretch both sides. Next will be side toe touch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Open your legs wide and then just twist your shoulder down and touch your opposite foot with your hands. Alternate your sides and try and keep your legs straight when twisting down to touch your foot. Just continue with that stretching. And next, we will do reverse lunge with stretch back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now just step back into a reverse lunge, keeping your back straight and your legs at 90 degrees to each other. Raise your arms and stretch them backwards. Squeeze your legs and push down on your forward heel to come up and alternate. Next exercise will be arm swinging skaters in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back into a skater position and swing your hands down to your front. Then step forward and upwards, and then step to the other side. As you do this, keep rotating your arms as your legs are moving and just alternate sides. And we will change to leg circles in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just put your hands on your hips and rotate your legs just off the floor to your front and back. Keep your legs stretched out when rotating them. Change legs and circle the other leg in the same way. And next we will change to tiptoe with reach in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Very simply standing on our tiptoes and raising our arms high and stretching and reaching as high as you can. Stretching through our calves, legs, back, and arms as we reach up as high as we can on our tiptoes. The next exercise will be side to side reach in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With our legs in a wider stance, we lean to our sides and bend our knees slightly. At the same time, stretch your arms out to your side as far as you can, then come back up and alternate sides. Keep reaching out as far as you can. The next exercise will be hip circles in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Just put your hands on your hips and circle your hips in one direction and then the other direction. Push your hips out as you rotate them and try not to move the rest of your body as you rotate them. Keep your body upright. The next exercise will be lateral lunge with floor touch in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stand up straight, do a side lunge and touch the floor, and then squeeze your legs and push down on your heel to come up fully upright. Then step and lunge to the other side and touch the floor again. Make sure you keep your back straight. Just keep lunging. The next exercise will be birdman squat in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping your back straight, push out your butt and go down into a squat. As you go down, stretch out your arms to your sides. Squeeze your legs and push down on your heels to come up and then bring your arms back to your front. Do those squats properly and skater with leg raise in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step back into a skater position with your hands up at your front. Bring your leg forward again and raise it up to your side. When you bring your legs down, then step back to the opposite side and just keep alternating your legs. Just 2 minutes left now, and the next exercise will be forward lunge and reach in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Step forward into a forward lunge with your legs at 90 degrees to each other. As you go down, reach and stretch your arms in the air. Squeeze your legs and push down on your forward heel to come up and keep your back straight when doing these lunges. Next, we will do squat with arm circles in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Keeping your back straight, go down into a squat and come back up. As you do this, swing your arms in wide circles around your front. When in the squat position, do not bend your knees past your foot and push down on your heels to come up. Next, we will change to side leg swings in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. With your feet together and your arms up high, close to your chest for balance. Swing up a leg to your side. Swing your legs up in turn and swing them as high as you can, and try to keep your body upright. And the final exercise will be side lunge with wings. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now the final exercise. With your back straight, step into a side lunge, keeping your arms stretched out to your side. As you move from side to side, flop your arms up and down with a small movement. Keep going till the end. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and finish! I hope you all enjoyed this gentle wake-up workout and stretch. Have a great day! Bye! Mwah. Hi again! I really hope you enjoyed this 10-minute full body, 10-minute morning workout with me. This 10-minute stretch and train routine is designed to gently work your body and wake you up. It's better than hitting the snooze button. This morning workout, morning stretch is brought to you by PINAY Figure Fitness, not an American fitness channel or a Europe fitness channel, but a Philippines fitness channel. Please repeat this follow-along workout every morning. And please see all my workouts and galleries here. And I post new videos every Saturday and Sunday. Please also join me on my live streams every weekend. Details are on my Facebook. See my social media links below. Please comment, like, share and subscribe to PINAY Figure Fitness, the Philippine fitness channel. Take care and stay safe, everyone. Bye!